Nord's display is already installed in the chassis of the phone, so we're gonna start by assembling its camera system. Let's fit each rear camera into a bracket that will be placed inside the phone a little bit later. Next, we'll remove the film from the rear cover and attach the receiver and camera flash. Fun fact, that piece of copper you see in the center of Nord is a heat dissipation pipe that helps it stay cool, especially when you're performing heavy-duty tasks like gaming. Next up is the main board that will lock in with 2 screws. We usually rely on sophisticated machinery for this, but today, it's all on me. Here, we'll fit Nord's dual selfie cameras into place. Let's drop Nord's rear camera system in and make sure every sensor is secured. The vibration motor, fingerprint bracket, and in-display fingerprint scanner are up next. Now I'll connect the USB port to the secondary PCB and insert Nord's SIM tray. Everything will then be locked in with a screw. Radio frequency cables are up next. First, a white cable, and then a black cable. Both of these will be laid across the side of Nord's inner metal chassis before I cover it with a protective sponge. Time to remove some more film now and connect the secondary board and the display to the main board. Nord has 3 connective ribbons in total. They're called the U ribbon, L ribbon, and C ribbon. The U ribbon and L ribbon provide signal and power to Nord's USB port and display respectively, while the C ribbon connects to the primary PCB to the secondary PCB. Let's install the secondary PCB cover, which includes the speaker box, and lock it in with screws. I'm then gonna put tamper-evident seals on the corresponding screw holes, so we know if you ever try this yourself. Nord's battery is up next. I'll fit it in and make sure it's secure. Finally, I'll apply the mainboard cover, lock it in with 11 screws, and then place Nord's glass rear panel on top. Now, the moment of truth. And there we have it, a fully functioning OnePlus Nord. So today we tried something different. Instead of showing you how it is to disassemble our phone, we made a OnePlus Nord for you from scratch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and do remember, don't try this at home. Bye bye.